Hello YouTube, this is the Streams. I yet again accidentally press stop recording. Press stop recording. Anyways, that's what's going on. That was the parking lot. Next, I'm going to take a picture of the street on the other side of the parking lot. This is in Skokie, Illinois, just a reminder. Should take a long time. This I can't. This is a sidewalk right there. I can't pass it because there's so much snow. I can only walk over here. Person's yard. As you can see, this is where I'm standing right now. Look, you can't cross that. There's too much snow. This is never seen anything like this ever before. First time ever happening. Skokie in a very long time. Slipped. Some cars. Just the streets. And yeah, I'm gonna make another video. So until then, see you, and please subscribe and like this video.